Guys, it's Summer. It's Easter Day. Right. Happy Easter, guys. So, tell me in the comments below if Easter Bunny has come to you. So later I'm doing Easter egg hunt. Later, once my dad's had his toast and everything, I will be doing an Easter egg hunt, but I'm not going to be recording it because, yeah. So today, I have a surprise egg we're going to open. And I just want to say, I have this Easter egg off Easter Bunny. I got this 12 cup. Yeah, Poppy and Bradshaw. Don't know who that's Guy Diamond.
I did well. I'm feeling coffee. What sort of audio books are you listening to whilst you're doing it? Fiction or are you going for self-help? Serious fiction.
So it's really cool. And then the egg came with it and a chocolate bar.
Amazing. Whatever is our new merch. It's the new jigsaw.
I'll get the egg.
How many pieces is it? 50? I've got 50 and 500 pieces.
I didn't realise this chocolate bar looks so peculiar. So here's the chocolate bar. Here's the chocolate bar. Clear packaging, which is a bit cool. And then we've got the Easter egg, the pretty Easter egg. The bite that comes with So let's just get on with the video. So let's open this up. I really hope this doesn't explode with things. Oh, there's quite a lot of things in there. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing I see in here is this Malteser's Easter Bunny. Has all flowers with Easter Bunny on there. Right, Easter Bunny came to me and he left some for and he ate most of the carrot. And you've got some pretty nice stuff, so there's that. I'm not going to eat that right now because I've had a lot of chocolate today. Next thing, oh, it's hard to come out, is this.
I feel like I'm a dad with like a couple of kids, so like I'm in the kitchen kind of cooking. I keep them quiet, give them a little jigsaw. Yeah, give us a project. While they're doing that,
we have this good matata thing, so you squeeze it and lean down, and then it comes out. That comes out.
It's delicious.
It's been sick.
Maybe if you would have made us an Easter tree, it would have been nicer. I'm not on board with the Easter tree. I'm just going to come right out and say it.
So there's that. So let's go on with the next thing.
Maybe you could come up
I know I did. So last thing in there, guess what that is? It is. Oh my goodness, this is quite rare. It is this mochi little squishy. It's Mochi Bunny. It's actually really rare. We'll give this a squish. It's actually quite weird.
Imagine doing sort of either scenes involving water or scenes involving snow.
It actually feels quite weird, so I'll take the packaging. Oh, this feels like a marshmallow, but better. This is softer than marshmallow, actually. Oh dear. This is rabbit. It's got one eyebrow. So, I've got the rabbit out of the packaging. I made a different thing because my dad don't want to be shown. But here it is. Oh! Here it is. It's very stretchy and squishy. Like that. That's pretty weird, but you got a laser down. Oh dear. By the way, the TV's right there. Everyone wants to get a new TV in this house, and I don't. But give it a squish. It's actually really squishy and stretchy and fun to play with. It's like a little bunny jumping. Put that back in the packaging.
Lucy hasn't gotten up yet.
Has she got Easter stuff yet?
She hasn't even seen.
Oh.
She hasn't gotten it yet. She just texted me there.
Okay, so there's that, the last thing. Right, Easter Bunny spoiled us this year. I'm going to do an Easter egg, and as I said, he ate it. And he drank most of the water. Left some hair. Which is a bit surprising when I found it out. She's a genius. So yeah. It's so sunny. I hope the eggs don't melt. It's actually quite sunny. We're having an Easter egg hunt with chocolate. As I shown you little baskets and bags. If you haven't saw that video, Easter stuff, eggs and more. If you saw that video, you would have knew the things. Right, look at all the stuff we've done. And he brought me a new squishy, which thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Happy Easter, guys.